Today we'll be talking about the red alert for the virus, earthquakes, terrorism, warlike conditions as Mars is in the high risk zone from 28th December to 18th January, and 8th and 10th January 2022 seems to be most prone for all the activities. As per the planet Mars has entered the high risk zone in the Jesta star in the zodiac on the 28th December and will remain in this star till the 16th January 2022, and then will be in Gandanta in the watery sign and the fiery sign till the 18th of January 2022. In fact, it will be in Gandanta from the 14th January to 18th January 2022. Mars in Jyeshtha Nakshatra is, as per the past, is most ugliest situation in the world have ever happened when Mars is in the Jyeshtha star, and Jyeshtha star is ferocious and bitter. And we all remember that when Ketu was in the star, coronavirus, second wave of coronavirus had come, and now the third wave, we can even say the fourth wave, and this Omicron is going for taking the world for a big bumpy ride. As per the foundation chart of India, Taurus ascendant, Sun is the fourth lord, and in transit it is in the 8th house with the Lagna lord and the 6th lord in fallen and retrograde condition. So chronicity will increase, and it will also get combusted from the 8th of January. So there is every possibility that there will be lockdowns, there will be end to all this, and the Kalsarpa Avrohi Yoga from the 16th of December to 24th of April will add fuel to the fire. So the planetary positions, as I had already predicted, as per the predictions for 2022, and the economic conditions are not good. So I had already predicted this, and you can see for yourself the falling parameters are most vulnerable, and some predictions which I had already made, they have also proved true. Let us read them all. Lockdowns, curfew and section 144 may be implemented from the 8th January 2022. Now it may be a day here and there, but 8th Venus is retrograde, fallen and totally combusted. It will remain combusted for a number of days. Virus surge and peak conditions in the month of January 2022, especially when Mars joins Sagittarius, the 8th house. It is the 12th lord, and together with Sun, but Sun will go on the 14th, it will shift to the 10th house, to the 9th house. But Mars and Venus is the 6th lord and Mars is the 12th lord in the 8th house. The chronicity will increase, and Mars will aspect the Mars in the natal chart of the India Foundation chart. And the peak will be till the 27th of February and 3rd of March as far as the virus is concerned. Terrorism at the borders of China and Pakistan. Since China is in war mood, as I've already predicted in the article, and hence brawl between the countries, Indo-China, Russia, Ukraine, China in war mood will have ugly relations with Taiwan, US, Europe. China maintains 66,000 troops opposite Ladakh. Very recent information. The relations between US and Russia can also go for a toss, especially due to Ukraine, till the 27th February 2022 and till then the 5th of April 2022. The first 4 months seem to be most explosive for the world and even for India. Earthquakes, tsunamis, cyclones is on the coastal areas. Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, or Malaysia are prone to all these things, and even the South India. Suffering to the entertainment industry, Bollywood celebrities of high status may also suffer. Venus is the most afflicted condition, and people on the recreation spree will suffer the most. 2,000 passengers in the Mumbai Goa cruise ship stuck due to virus spread. Marriages will suffer the most who plan for a marriages till 3rd March 2022. My predictions on Samir Wankhede prove spot on as per the dates mentioned after Mars activates the sensitive point in the zodiac, and he is repatriated as Mars activates the sensitive arc. And I had mentioned nothing will happen to him and he will come out scot-free. Although I don't have the birth chart, but as per the declination chart, I had predicted that he will come out scot-free. The predictions for the chopper crash findings prove spot on as Mars activates the sensitive arc as predicted by me, and on the due to carelessness of the crew, and as per Prashna Jyotish proves spot on. Political trauma from January to April 2022. Nifty may touch all-time high till the 8th of January 2022. It will touch 18,000, maximum it will go to 18,200 and then take a beating. So this is, friends, this is all I just wanted to say. Now read all my articles. All my predictions are proving spot on. Not a single astrologer has talked about Venus. No astrologer predicted about the Venus 112 days. You pull out YouTube and not even a single astrologer has mentioned anything about the Venus. All my predictions are proving spot on by the grace of God and my blessings of my Guru for inculcating the high skills. I give full credit to my Guru and Almighty, and I stand up to give ovation to my Guru. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Prepare yourself. Maintain social distancing. Wash your hands. Take care. Do not go in the gatherings. It is not the time to go out. Keep yourself in isolation. Read books. Do some web study and try to be busy in the house itself. Learn things from the internet. If you can't go out, at least you can do some teaching. If you want to teach, you can teach. If you want to get taught, you can get taught. So this is the time. The time should not be wasted and time should be utilized fully. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share. Best of luck. Keep yourself protected, and thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.